Look at this. So pumped. Full of coffee. We're gonna grind so many beans in there. Are you ready?
Ready. Wow, look at it.
I'm gonna put this guy right here. I got our little grinder here. What do you think about that? Make your coffee. You ready for
I'm
this?
so excited. Oh.
There it is.
Oh, it smells good.
I feel like I'm putting a stamp in a library book. So excited about this. Smoothly.
Cool.
Okay. I'm a barista. Oh, that's not as smooth as I thought. Look at that. It tastes like coffee ice cream.
I know.
It's very milky,
It's very milky.
but it's good.